Today for the Bitcoin, Ethereum and elrond prices. Guys, we need to talk. I will today open up the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum and also for elrond, and I will show you something unfolding in the charts which you have probably not seen before. I will talk about price targets. I will talk about my trades in the immediate short term, in the mid run and in the long run. Guys, today's video is a special one. We are writing Sunday and I have prepared something for you which might knock off your socks. So please sit down, watch the video until the very end, smash up the like button to a new all-time high to make sure I am getting the signal from you that we want more of these videos. And before I'm going into the charts, I wanted to remind you, give me the signal here. If we are getting more than 10,000 likes, I will add more live videos where I share my live trades, my price predictions in emergency situations. Smash up the like button right now to give me the signal. And now let's start with the price. I want to start with Bitcoin. Then I go over to Ethereum and then to elrond. I want to drop on you the price targets I am having right now and some important updates. So make sure you're watching this video until the very end. And now I want to go over in the Bitcoin chart here. And what you can see is two different scenarios potentially unfolding. First of all, I was talking about recently about this potential Wyckoff accumulation pattern. I have to say usually it's a daily pattern, but on the hourly, so far it is perfectly working out. We broke down here, I told you this is probably a trap. We're probably going to see this bounce here towards the upside and zigzag accumulate towards the upside. This is exactly what's happening right now. So far we are following the trajectory. Even if we are not, if we are, I am predicting Bitcoin to continue for a few days within the price ranges of 43 to 47, 48,000 US dollars. But within that, we can actually trade some patterns. And what you can see, this could be already a rising wedge, number one, where we just broke out and we are about to confirm a potential breakout here with a price target of approximately 47,250 US dollars. It could be just as well, and it will give us a very similar price target, this W pattern here. As you can see, we have the horizontal neckline and then we have the W with a second low which is higher than the previous low, which is also breaking out right now and has a very similar price target to the previous one. Let me quickly pull it out here, and what you can see is the price target would be approximately, and this is taking it from the wicks a little bit more on the bullish side here, 47,600. I would actually take profits here among the previous resistance where we had two highs at 47,250 US dollars. However, guys, if the Bitcoin price follows the trajectory of the Wyckoff pattern, then we can expect just a little bit more upside before we are eventually in phase C, breaking down, creating a new low here and going higher within the next few days. Be a little bit careful here. If I'm showing you the pattern, actually, you can see it right there. In phase B, we are now zigzagging up, and then in phase C, we should see the spring, the low, before we are breaking out towards the upside for good. This is what I'm looking out for right now. Of course, if things are changing, and so far, since I was predicting that actually since right here, it is not changing. We are following the trajectory, but I will keep you in the loop. I will keep you updated. The last thing before I'm going into Ethereum and also into elrond, very, very importantly, I want to show you one thing here. And just a quick shout out to everyone, because recently my comment section is exploding. My DMs on Instagram, on Telegram are exploding. I cannot keep up with this. You guys are thanking me like crazy because I mentioned actually elrond right here in this video. Let me quickly go over. In this video, almost 2 weeks ago on the 29th of August, where I was predicting elrond to go up when it was at 130 US dollars. Right now, you doubled your money. It's at 270 US dollars while the market was going down. Thank you so much for your feedback. And as you know, guys, your gains are my gains. As we are an Crypto family, subscribe down below, press the bell and press on all to join the Crypto family, the most loved and probably also the most profitable community in the world. So let me now go over here into the chart and make a quick recap here also about Bitcoin, because as you remember, we have on the weekly the 21-week EMA, and right now we are about to close here in 14 hours. If this close is successful, we are going to have a successful bounce on the 21-week EMA. The next week will be detrimental. If we are going to see a green week, it solidifies actually that we are potentially here bouncing. This is just a predictor for the next month to come here. So if we are seeing a successful bounce here, very, very bullish for Bitcoin. The last thing I wanted to mention, I talked about the 21-week EMA many times and also how it is a very nice nice determinant whether we are in a bull market continuation or not, just like here in 2017 when we were bouncing from it multiple times. I'm not going to bore you with that. I will quickly go over into Ethereum before I'm talking about Solana and also about Elrond. Solana, just very, very briefly, I still hold Solana, but I'm scaling out from Solana into Elrond for the last few days. As you remember, I actually bought approximately 1.5 million US dollars worth of Elrond, and now we are already racking up approximately 2 million US dollars in holdings. I think that our community was making significant gains here, so I will come to Elrond just in a second. First of all, I wanted to talk about Ethereum against US dollar on the US dollar chart. Ethereum losing a little bit of strength against Bitcoin here for the last few days, but still looking not all too bad. And as you can see here, we are right now breaking the 38.2 on the Ethereum chart. So if we are seeing here some furthermore upwards movement for Ethereum, I would say we will definitely see, in case we are going higher, significant resistance coming in at 3,640 US dollars at the golden pocket. Let me quickly zoom out here also. There is not a lot of traffic going on, but usually we should expect significant resistance coming in at the golden pocket. This is usually what we are seeing here. So far, it is really looking good for Ethereum in the immediate short term. In the longer run, I could expect, just as for Bitcoin, a little bit more sideways consolidation for the next few days, and us actually ranging in between the 3,200 and the 3,600 US dollar levels. However, guys, when Bitcoin is ranging and when Ethereum is ranging, especially when Bitcoin is ranging, we are usually seeing significant movements in the altcoins. However, most of these altcoins are not really moving. Our picks are moving though. We are making significant gains here in the Crypto community, and this is what makes me very, very happy. Let me go over here into Elrond, and if you want me to cover more altcoins, you see I'm doing it already. Give me the feedback. The more likes we are getting, the more comments we are getting about altcoins, the more I know that there's actually interest and I can deliver on your wishes. But you need to use these feedback functions, whether it's the subscription button, whether it's the like button, whether it's the comment section. Use it, give me the feedback. It's for free for you, and I get your signals and I can deliver on these wishes. So now going over into Elrond, look at this. I mean, honestly, it's almost funny. Or I could say it's not even funny anymore, because Elrond is hitting my price target like a clock, like an atomic clock. Look at this, we hit the all-time high already here at 247, and right now Elrond is on the verge of going up to my 1.618, 365. Yesterday I was even mentioning also price targets, but this is of course not anything for tomorrow, but the 2.618, 560 US dollars, 3.618, and I would even go up to the 4.618, close to the 1,000 US dollar levels. Why would I do that? Well, let me pull out Solana here. And this is a retracement I actually pulled way back when we were breaking out here, guys, 30, 40 US dollars. We hit all my price targets, including the 4.618. On Solana, 203 US dollars. This is why I am scaling out from Solana into Elrond to hit the same, the 4.618. And also, if you compare market caps, even if Elrond hits 1,000 US dollars, it will be still way lower market cap than Solana. I'm not saying Solana is a bad project, it's an awesome project, but here I'm just comparing within the altcoin section, and I made it, like I saw a lot of altcoin seasons already. Whenever some are rallying up and you compare it to the peer group, which is as good or almost as good, in Elrond's case, just as good as Solana, and the peer group is significantly lower value than the leaders like Solana, for example, or Cardano, then this is for me the reason to buy this, in relative terms speaking, undervaluation. Let me know what you think about that, guys. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button, for making noise for the algorithm. I truly appreciate it. As you know, it's not only me in front of the camera, it's you watching the video, you making noise for the algorithm, you helping me on my purpose to make you financially abundant. My purpose is to reach the whole world, to talk to every single one in the world and reach everyone with my voice, to talk and teach about Bitcoin. Thank you so much for helping me on that purpose, and we are going to see each other at the next one of Elrond Crypto. Just quickly, I always forget to talk about my affiliate section. I don't know why. It's just it's not so important for me. But if you want, I want to give you these bonuses in the pinned comment section down below. You will find 3,210 US dollars in free bonuses on the Phemex exchange alone, $1,600. If you're an experienced trader, you might as well claim your $3,200 at a 30x leverage. This is a 100,000 US dollar trade for free. You can withdraw the profits from this free trade as well. And Obviously, if you're not experienced, just buy and hold, stack for the long term. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of Crypto. And by the way, I have Stock Guru here.
Hello, everyone.
And of course, the one and only Slavic. As always, guys, bye-bye.